Welcome to an exploration of the avocado's health benefits. Find out why it's called a superfood. Avocados are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Let's dive deeper into their nutrient profile. Regular consumption of avocado aids in maintaining heart health. Discover its impact on cholesterol levels. Did you know avocados can improve vision health? Learn about its rich carotenoid content. Avocados help with weight management by promoting satiety. Understand how healthy fats can be beneficial. Avocados' nourishing properties are excellent for skin health. Let's see how it works. High in fiber, avocados enhance digestive health. Discover the benefits for your gut. Avocados can reduce inflammation, offering relief from conditions like arthritis. Eating avocados can help control blood sugar. Learn about their role in diabetes management. Avocados enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. This amplifies nutrient intake. Avocados offer versatility in meals. Explore creative culinary uses. Avocados are not just healthy, they are also grown sustainably for the planet. Calcium-rich avocados boost bone health and increase bone density. Rich in antioxidants, avocados support healthy aging. Learn about their anti-aging properties. Avocados are a powerhouse of health benefits. Embrace them in your diet today.